Here we are. Needed to come here. Look at this beautiful beach.
Yep.
We're called to serve the people of Palm Coast.
Yeah.
What's the tagline of the practice?
Boosting health and enriching life.
And that's why we're here.
No better place to do it than
There are so many people in need of a boost in their health to enrich their life. And as chiropractors, we start there. We make sure they have spinal health, but we do the nutrition. I do the blood work. We teach people how to exercise. We do the lifestyle modifications. And it's very personalized,
Yes,
right?
Absolutely. Absolutely. It's very hands-on, very personalized, very results-driven.
We're not a quantity practice. We're a quality practice. We spend time with you.
We never feel rushed in our office. Never. And we just want what's best for our patients.
Yeah, I mean, I hear a lot of practitioners talking about getting to the root cause. And a lot of times, I'm not impressed. We get to the root cause and we want to empower people. We're not chiropractors that want to see people 3 times a week.
Yeah, what's really important about us that's different is we want to get you well as quickly as possible, and then we want to empower you with knowledge and tools to help you maintain the health that we have restored for you. And then you come to see us periodically to just quick maintenance and just taking care of yourself. And you and the doctor are co-creators in your health. You are a proactive part of becoming healthy again.
And we have the best of both worlds. So I'm 33 years in practice, as are you. We're old school chiropractors. We do hands-on, we do adjusting. But we've invested in some pretty serious technology to do a little above and beyond, like non-surgical spinal decompression, like a laser, like shockwave. And we have our own protocols to fix any musculoskeletal condition you can think of. So
hands-on technology, we got it all.
And we have fun doing it.
Oh my gosh, do we ever.
We
love what we do.
You come into the practice, it's like a stand-up comedy routine. People love us. I mean, right away. People trust us.
We have so much
and
fun.
Because it comes from here.
And you know what? Both of us, we were driven to this profession for a reason. It's our passion. It's our passion to live healthfully, live powerfully, and all naturally. And we want to share that with you, and we can't wait to see you at our office.
And we walk the talk.
Yeah.
65 coming up.
57, going to be 58 in August. I'm just so happy to be here. Every time we come to the beach, it energizes.
Is there any better place on earth? We've got the surf.
The sand.
The sand.
The sea. Nah, it's a dream come true.
Yeah.
It really is.